In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a website in InfinityFree. Now, the first thing you have to do in your dashboard, you want to go to Hosting Accounts, and then you want to select the account under which you have the website you want to delete. So, for example, I'm going to click on this one over here, and then you want to go here on the left and down inside Account Settings. And from the Account Settings tab here towards the bottom, it's going to say Deactivate Account. Now, first you have to deactivate it, but make sure you are actually sure you want to do this. Then click on Deactivate and deactivate again. And as you can see, it's going to say account will be locked and inaccessible until reactivated. And after 20 to 60 days of deactivation, the account will be permanently deleted. So click on here if you actually want to deactivate it, and that's going to deactivate your account. Then you can just wait or just delete it right away. So I'm going to go to Hosting Accounts here, and I'm going to go into one of my deactivated account just to show you how to do this. There we go. So you're going to see this if I go to Account Settings. Now here, when you deactivate it at the bottom, it's going to say Delete Account. Click on that, and then basically you have to confirm deletion. So it says confirm. To confirm, you have to type this in. So I'm just going to actually copy paste it. There we go. Delete account. And when you do that, it's going to completely delete your account. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.